Welcome to the next in the series of our videos on DevOps. And in this, we'll show you how to use the repository in continuous integration mode. In other words, we'll show how you can get a project from the repository, how you can update the project from the that you've obtained, and then how you can publish the results back. And so what we are essentially mimicking is what you do in continuous integration. All right, so let's run the first command. Let's look at the command. The name of the command is ldc get. And we are going to get the project from the repository, the latest project. So we'll specify where the repository is located, the host name, what the port number is. These are the defaults. What the name of the application is, which happens to be called Lattix Web. What the track is. A repository can contain multiple tracks, so that name of that track is ent-demo. The output will go into a file called ent.ldz, and we'll specify the user and password so that it can actually retrieve it from the repository. And now I have the command has completed, and I obtained my project. Now what I'm going to do is to update this project. This was a Java project, so I'll just update it for the sake of this demonstration using a jar file 161 that we already saw that exists on this. So we have updated it. Now before I publish it, let's quickly take a look at Lattix Web. So this is the Lattix Web dashboard. I'm going to log in. And we go to, there are multiple project tracks as you can see here. We'll go to the Ent project track. And let's take a look at all the snapshots we have here. So you can see we've got a fairly large number of snapshots. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to publish a new snapshot. Let's go back and let's take a look at that command. All right, so now I'm going to publish this project. And let me say that the version number of this project is 3.5. I just chose an arbitrary version number. So I'm publishing this new project, sending it to the same server and port number, same application, same track. And I gave it a version number of 3.5, and I have to specify my user and password to be able to do it. And so let's publish it. Great. Now that we have published it, let's go back to Lattix Web. Let's refresh our screen. And now let's look at our snapshots. And you can already see 3.5 is the latest snapshot. And that's shown up here. And in fact, you're seeing the different metrics that's associated with it. And you're also seeing some of the historical information. And you can actually see the metrics. And you can see that I chose a much earlier project. So you can update older projects with newer projects. And then you'll see these kind of dips too sometimes if you do that. But in any case, this is how you can actually extract a project, update it, and publish it. And this is the basics of how you make it part of your continuous integration. And we can see that same project now in our repository. Go to ent-demo, and there it is. You can see version 3.5. And I can come here and I can delete that snapshot if I want. And there it is. My repository is back to what it used to be before the demo. Thank you for watching. This concludes the command line videos that we have created for as part of our DevOps series of videos.